Yes guys, welcome back to License to Ride, and it's definitely a good one today. If you watched the last episode, you'll know that I've been fixing the bike. It had a little bit of an oil leak, so if you haven't watched that video, go and watch it. I have no idea what I'm doing, but I managed to do it, and just in time. I literally fixed it this morning, and now I'm off to meet Ben for a ride. So I made my weekend plans work by working on the bike through the week after work and stuff. So yeah, I am absolutely buzzing, but also kind of scared. Make sure my bike doesn't play up while I'm out. It actually feels like it's riding a lot better, which I guess would make sense if it's had a bit of a leak and then it's just all of a sudden got worse. Does feel good. But yeah, we're meeting in the usual place, so I won't bore you with the whole ride. I'm just going to pick up some fuel and get over there, and I'll switch the camera off, but I'll let you know when we get there. And also in the comments now, because it's the third time we've met Ben on the channel, every single time he's left way before me and he's been there late. So put in the comment now whether you think he's going to be there or if you think I'm going to be waiting for him again. God, even just on normal roads, this feels unreal, just to be back on the bike. I haven't even missed out on any riding time because it was in the week. Like, I came home from work and I was thinking about going out for an evening sunset ride, but I didn't. I thought, oh, I'm too tired, and then I walked past the bike and it was leaking oil. So I've literally missed no time on the bike, but it just feels like I have, because I haven't been able to. The option's not been there. It's just the pleasures of life, isn't it? Stay away from the fuel. Let's go. Right guys, as I said, we've done this route a few times and stuff, so I won't bore you with it. I'll just pick you back up when I meet Ben. Okay, we're basically here. I thought I'd turn the camera on now before the turn-in so we can look at Crazy Guy's house, see if he's added anything to it. Oh no, gate's even shut today. Crazy stuff. He has got his Mustang out though. There's no way he's here before me. Nope. Again. Bro, I don't know what this kid does, but he's never here. I am late by 10 minutes. What is this clown doing? Where is this fucker then?
Yes, Chavi.
Did you follow your test drive?
Yeah. Yeah. Oh, it's fucking warm. Now I put this jacket on.
We'll be alright.
Yeah. Ready? Well, yeah, again we're on this road because me and Ben have just had a coffee in our favourite place. Oh, we actually tried a different place this time, that's a lie. But I mean just the location. And now we're going to go to Tesco's, get him some fuel. Yeah, go Tesco's, get him some fuel. And then we're going to decide where to ride. But I've just found another oil leak. And I'm not sure if it's just a blow-off valve letting out some because it's been built up. But I will see. I think this guy's just decided to slow down on purpose, to be honest. Oh, it feels so good to be out on the bike, even though I've got this now bit of oil leaking. I'm hoping it's just kind of residual from the problem that was there before, and at some point it just stops. It has pulled a little bit in the bottom, so I am a little bit worried. But the bike seems happy at the moment, it's riding good. So yeah, we'll just see what happens. Maybe it's just an exhaust leak or something, but I don't know, I really don't. Check that Ben's still behind me. What a lovely day. It's very hot in the jacket though. I do like this place, Malden. It's quite a nice little gaff really. Nice surrounding areas to go for a ride. It's kind of like Colchester in that sense, but I've done all the roads in Colchester. Well, so I thought, until Harry took me out last week. There's some really nice roads there. Can't tell where this geezer's going. It's nice to have a bit of air going through the jacket, to be honest. Couple of learners out like us, couple of buddies riding about. See, get out there, keep telling you, doesn't matter if you're a learner, get out there with your pals. Oh no, it's the next roundabout, isn't it? Ben needs fuel. Don't think you can do that, can you?
You can.
Oh my god.
Oh, that was not there. Fucking thing. Oh. So warm. No thermal lining, nothing. That?
So yeah, while me and Ben are in Tesco's, I ran in to get a sarnie, a little sandwich, a little snacky snack, came out, and then this was on the floor again. And if you watch my last video, you'll know why that is a problem. So yeah, I'm not really sure what's going on with that. It appears to be coming from the top now, like near the air box, air filter way. So if that means the engine's overpressured maybe, and it's shooting oil up into the air filter and it's leaking out of there, which is not good, because it could be piston rings or a gasket hopefully, but maybe piston rings. So I'm going to go home and tear it apart again. Now our thought is that maybe it's residual where it's sprayed from before, and it's just kind of melted, or gunk that's just melted on top where it's got hot, and then all of a sudden it's just started dripping down, which is wishful thinking. But we're just going to ride a little short while more towards my house, to where we just were, and then yeah, just check it there and just see if a little bit of a ride will, because I wiped it all down. I got some tissue at Tesco's, wiped it all down as much as I possibly could. So we're just going to ride over to the basin now, pull over there, try and get some photos if we can, but also to see if we can see if it was just residual from the last thing. Gotta give the kids what they want. It's weird because the bike feels like it's running absolutely fine. It's literally just, it looked like he couldn't see us, but obviously you get, the bike feels like it's running absolutely fine. It's pulling well. It actually feels better than before. But yeah, just another oil leak, so I'm gonna have to go home and pull it apart again. Unless obviously there's no oil when we get to this place, and then I'm just going to be confused. But it's all part of the fun. It's all part of the fun, eh? It was nice to get out on the bike while I thought it was still fixed, but can't win them all, can we? It's going to be tricky. We're going to have to let this tractor go so we can see down the road a little bit more. Oh yeah, look at this. It's beautiful. It's actually crazy. It's a boat. Mate, that's class. What a view.